Good afternoon, my name is Rhys Jones. I am the Director of the PhD programme at Bangor University. I am going to be leading a team of people, of lecturers that are going to be working very closely with you during this year. So I just want to introduce myself. I've been at the university now for 10 years, working in all the initial teaching education programmes and other master's programmes, and I specialise in physical education and wellbeing. My background is physical education teaching and sports coaching. I've done this in Wales and in England, and I've also been fortunate to be able to teach and coach abroad in the US, in America and in Australia also. But I've been at 10 years at Bangor and thoroughly enjoy my job. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you all. I want to really give you a very warm welcome. With that, you have received a letter from me, and please can you take note of what's in that letter. There's some information for you, pertinent information. And if you do have any questions or queries, which I would imagine you would have, if you want to make some form of contact, my email address is there, and I'm very happy for you to contact me in this way in the first instance, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But yeah, so just looking forward to seeing you on the 4th of September. Please keep safe and happy up until then, and she'll see you then. Bye.